Today we are going to see how to set up your website up and running in less than 5 minutes. You need 3 main things to build your website or blog. 1. A domain name. 2. A hosting provider. 3. Designing and developing your website, which require coding knowledge. Setting up and building a website can be too technical for the average user, and can cost thousands of dollars. But luckily, Bluehost and its team take care of all that. You just need to give few clicks and instructions. So, let's get started. First, click in the link in the description to proceed to Bluehost. Click Get Started. Scroll down and see the available plans. In this case, I'm using the basic plan. You can see that even the basic plan includes a free domain, free SSL, and so on, which can save you a lot of money. After selecting your plan, you can get your free domain. Go for the high-level domains like .com or .net. Since you don't have to pay thousands of dollars for premium domains, you can choose whatever you desire. Then you will fill in your personal information and sign up for your Bluehost account. Whoa! It is only $142.20 for 3 whole years? That means you only pay $47.40 per year. That's a massive bargain for a world-class hosting service with a high-level domain. Plus no coding and technical skills required. And hey, you also get free SSL and stuff with it. After the purchase, you can create your account with a strong password. Then log into your Bluehost dashboard. Head over to cPanel. Inside the cPanel, scroll down to the section called Mojo Marketplace. Choose the one-click installs button. Look for WordPress and click Start Install. Now choose your domain, where you want to install WordPress into. Then click Check Domains. Now click to show advanced options. Choose your own username and password for your WordPress installation. This is not same as your Bluehost login credentials. Choose something other than admin and enter a strong password to strengthen your website security. And please make sure that the automatically create a new database for this installation is checked. Check terms and conditions and click Install. Now WordPress will install. You can see the progress bar. It shouldn't take long. Not longer than few minutes. After installation, you will be shown your site URL, your WordPress username and password. These information will be emailed to you as well. Congratulations! You just made your website under 5 minutes. Now go to your admin URL and enter your WordPress username and password. Then you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard, where you can customize your website's look further to your liking with a free WordPress theme. Just look at mine after applying a nice looking free theme. Now it lives in the internet and looks premium and professional. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next video.